morning, everybody. Hello. We're at Walmart. You know what? It is 7:48 and I usually come here at this time every week. And today it is busy. Like, there's a lot of cars in the parking lot. It's crazy. But that's not going to stop me from couponing digitally. So there's some great deals. It's a slow week. I'm going to tell you guys this. It is a slow week. Not a lot of hot deals. Not let's go run deals. But you know what? I still like to get out because Thursdays are the days where I can get my stuff done without my kids. So we're going to do that. But let's go inside. If you guys love saving money and you love my crazy attitude, definitely hit the subscribe button. I would love to hit 60,000 subscribers by New Year's. I have like, what, 2 or 3 weeks left to go. I need 500 more, give or take. If you guys could help me, that would be awesome. But let's go inside and have some fun shopping. So I just scanned these $1 toothbrushes. You would pay $1, but then there is currently a Shopium coupon that you guys can use. You get $1.50 back, making this a 50-cent moneymaker. I scanned the soft one. I didn't scan the medium one, but still an awesome deal. Here we have the soft soap body wash for $4.97 along with the Irish Spring for $4.97. Together you guys will end up paying $9.96. But you can submit your receipt up to your discretion for the Shopium app where you get $5 off of 2, and then there's also Ibotta where it's $5 off of 2. Yes, I scanned both items. These end up becoming a 4-cent moneymaker if you guys want to go ahead and do it. It does show that, but it does say 20 ounce. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. Here we have the Palmolive Instant Refill for $2.48, and then we have the box for $2.98. Together you will pay $5.46. But with ShopKicks, you get 625 kicks for purchasing and scanning the products as a bundle. Otherwise, you get 175 plus 10, which is 74 cents. So each of these you get 74 cents, and then you'll get 625 altogether, which is $2.50. Then we have some Ibotta deals where you get 75 cents back with Ibotta for the box and 50 cents back for the package. I already used my bonus, but there is like a 50-cent bonus. But altogether, these come out to be just $1.71 or 85 cents each, which is a pretty good deal considering you get a bottle that you fill into one of these. And these are like $2.98, so pretty awesome deal. So here we have the Merci chocolates for $6.96. You're going to buy 2 of them. You will pay $13.92. But you get $1.50 back with Ibotta times 2. Then you can also submit your receipt to checkout 51 where you'll get $1.74 times 2. Then you can also submit your receipt to... Now it's going to disappear. Okay. You can also submit your receipt to checkout 51 where you'll get $7 back when you purchase the 2, making these just 44 cents or 22 cents each. Awesome deal. So here we have some chips that I've never tried before, but they are the Terra chips for $4.36. Now we currently have a couple rebates that you can use. We have a $1.20 rebate with Ibotta. Then we also get $1 back with the Shopium app. Makes these just $2.16. So here's a really cool deal. We got the Doritos dip. There is Cool Ranch Jalapeno, or there is the Spicy Nacho. These are $4.42. We currently have a deal with the Fetch Rewards app. It does say 1 left, so I don't know if that means 1 left for me or if there's just 1 left, but we will get it. But basically you will pay $4.42. You get 4,000 points with Fetch Rewards, making this just 42 cents. And I've been wanting to try these for a long time. I just don't know what one I want. I think I'm gonna get the Spicy Nacho. So here we have the Splenda brown sugar blend. Now it says it's $7.14, but when I was checking the website last night, my website shows that it is $4.98. So when I go up to the register, it will ring up $4.98 because that's what I did as a price check. So $4.98, but then you get a sorry you guys, you get $4 back, which this deal does end soon with Ibotta. It is a limited one, and you can submit your receipt up to your discretion for the shopping map for $4 back. This ends up becoming a $3.02 money maker. So make sure you're checking your prices to see what you can get. Otherwise, you can get the Splenda Magic Bake for $6.98, pay $6.98 for it. But there is an Ibotta deal where you get $4 back when you purchase the one, and you could use your coupon from the shopping map for $4 back. Otherwise, you can submit your receipt to Swagbucks if you want to do it that way. But this would end up becoming, I think, a $2.02 money maker. So I can't do math all of a sudden. Oh, a $1.02 money maker. Here's a great deal for Taco Bell seasoning. These are 76 cents. You're gonna buy 2 of them, pay $1.52. We currently have a 75 cents back with Swagbucks when you purchase the 2, making these just 77 cents or 38 cents each. So you could get the sauce for $1.98. You would pay $3.96, but then there is one where you get $1.50 back with Ibotta, making this just $2.46 or $1.23 if you guys go with that. I'm just getting the mix, and then I might get the cheese stuff. And then we also have the shells. These are marked down to $2.98. Otherwise they have some for $2.58, but you would get $2 back when you purchase the 2 of them. Then we're gonna scroll down to the cheese, and we have some of the Taco Bell. There's one that is actually $2, otherwise they're $2.98. And when you purchase the 2 of them, you'll get $2.50 back. I'm gonna probably see what the husband wants, but these seem to be like a great deal. I just read the rebate. It is for the cheese stuff only. It does not include the regular salsa. So you would pay like, what is it, almost $5.98, but then you get $2.58 back. But I'm still gonna try it because I have a lot of cheese to use, or a lot of chips to get up, and yeah. So here's a great deal with some gravy. These are $2.47, and you get $1 back with Ibotta, making these just $1.47. But then I see the value ones that are actually cheaper, but the Ibotta rebate does not work for this. But still, if you guys need some gravy, great price. So here we have the Jack Link's Flaming Hot. I think it's $5.48. There's stuff in the wrong spot. But you currently get 750 points per $1. So you would get $4.11 back with the Fetch Rewards. And then you also get $1 back. So that's $5.11 that you would get back. That comes out to be just 37 cents for a bag of Flaming Hot Jack Links. Or you could get the Doritos one. I'm not seeing the Doritos one, but awesome deal if you guys need some Jack Links. Hello everybody. Yes, I went to Walmart. It was crazy. It was crazy busy today. I couldn't believe it. It was all like, this one guy kept like going so close to me, and I'm like, dude, back off, back off. And like, I don't know what his problem was, but he was like, I was looking at my clearance stuff, and then he was just acting like really weird. And it was like, I don't know if he was just really looking at the stuff or if he was truly being kind of creepy. But yeah, so I went to Walmart. A couple deals disappeared on Ibotta without any like couple hours left, this or that. It just like disappeared, which is fine. I did get a Weekend Warrior, but I needed 18 rebates to get that for $5, and I'm like, we're not even gonna hit that. There's not a lot of great deals today, but I'm still happy with everything that I got. I feel like I have to tell you guys something, but I don't remember what it is. But anyways, my total was $59.51. $59.51. I got $16.45 back with Ibotta. Last week, I ended up getting blocked on Ibotta. I didn't mention it because I don't know what was the reason. But basically, I contacted them and I'm like, hey, I was trying to withdraw like a gift card and it wouldn't let me. So I contacted them and they sent me a message back saying that they blocked me because I was submitting my receipt for the Walmart cash and Ibotta, which you can't do. Now, I stopped doing that a couple weeks ago when I was submitting my receipt to Ibotta and I didn't get half of my money. I made a huge video for it. I was like beyond mad. Actually, this might have been like 2 months ago. And I said, okay, you know, I sent them a message and they're like, okay. So I stopped doing that. And I thought it was like a Walmart Plus thing, but no, everybody was saying that they get those Walmart coupons too. But now I finally got banned from something I did like 2 months ago. So it is catching up on us. So make sure you guys, so they fixed it right away. But it was just like, okay, so if you guys are doing that and it hasn't caught up, make sure you guys are paying attention to that because you will get not blocked or banned, but you'll get like where you can't withdraw money until you contact them. So just giving you guys a heads up with something like that. But $16.45 with Shopkicks, I received 635 points, which is $2.54. Shopium, I received $11.50, and I have a feeling that's going to go away for a while, but that's all up to your discretion. Everybody can do that if they want. I do it because I might not look like I'm financially, or I might look like I'm doing financially okay, but you guys don't know. You guys don't know everything that with everybody, how everything goes. Not everybody, you know, is kicking it. Fetch Rewards, I received 8,179 points, which is $8.17. That was for the Doritos dips, and then it was also for the Jack Links. Checkout 51, I did receive $3.48 back. And then with Swag Bucks, I received 1,070 points, which is $10.75. So great deal with that. My grand total came to $6.62. I got 16 items at just 41 cents each. Now, I'm telling you guys this, Shopkick, I'm finally starting, not Shopkick, Brand Club, I am finally, like, getting it. I'm finally getting it. They have it where you do daily, you can do, like, surveys. I don't do the surveys. I don't have time to do the surveys, but what I do is I have my Amazon, my Target, and my Walmart linked to my brand club. So anytime, and then what you do is you join all these clubs. So anything that you guys buy, any brand names, you join their club, okay? Then what happens is you get like a couple cents here, there, a couple cents here or there, and it's awesome. Like, it does add up. It does add up, and I don't do anything. I just hit that plus button like once a week. I scan my receipts with Walmart into the Walmart app, and then I make sure I enter my phone number at Target. But all I do is just hit that plus button, and sometimes it ranges between like a couple cents to a couple dollars to a lot of dollars. I'm just saying, if you guys buy stuff, they do have a really cool thing where it's like daily deals, and I just started doing that, where they'll have like five items that is a daily deal. And like today it was like goldfish, so I would pay like $12 and something cents for like a 30 count bags of goldfish, but then I instantly get $7 back. So what it does is it takes me to my Amazon website, I purchase the items, and then what happens is I go back to Brand Club and I hit that plus button, and I got like $7 instantly back. So that's like a great price right there. I ended up getting some like Clorox toilet cleaner last week. I ended up getting some, what was it, Reynolds foil, like, you know, aluminum foil for like 99 cents through the Brand Club thing. So I'm actually really enjoying that. I will share with you guys something like that, but it's just easy freebie money, and then like you can cash out whenever. And I kind of I'm liking it. I'm getting used to it more. I probably go on that website like once a day. But yeah, so just want to give you guys a heads up. My Walmart haul, make sure you guys are checking out Brand Club. I know it is a little bit more confusing. I will be making some informational videos more when the new year starts, and some more other kind of videos. I just have been crazy busy, and it's because I do Etsy, and I am a mom of 2 little kids, and I'm all over the place, and I have ADD, so it doesn't help. But yes, I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Hopefully you guys have an awesome Walmart haul. Make sure you're checking out the Christmas stuff. I saw a lot of stuff getting marked out. Not like clearance, but like I wanted to get some like chocolate covered cherries and they marked it down like $2. They still show that's like regular price, but stuff's changing prices because they want that stuff out of there. I'm just excited for the day after Christmas and 90% off, which you will definitely see me do. But again, give this video a great big thumbs up if you guys haven't already. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Help me get my wish by getting 60,000 subscribers by the new year. If you guys could help me, that would be awesome. I might be doing some giveaways soon. I have a lot of reusable bags that I want to give away. So over the next couple, or over the new year, I'm going to start doing giveaways. Maybe of some stuff that I'm making too. So you guys will definitely want to check that out. I want to make some couponing stuff too, which I'm pretty excited for. But again, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.